Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Homemade Eierlikör is a German Advocaat liqueur and is a very popular little drink at the famous German Kaffeklatsch. But you can use it for all kinds of mixed drinks, baked goods, dessert, and even as an ice cream topping. Let me show you how easily you can make that famous drink. Separate the eggs and beat the egg yolks on a double boiler for a couple of minutes. Add the powdered sugar and beat until smooth. Add the evaporated milk and the heavy whipping cream and beat while on the double boiler until the mixture thickens to a creamy consistency. This step needs some patience as it will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Be careful and make sure that the mixture does not boil. Then add the brown rum and stir for an additional 3 to 4 minutes until the mixture is thick and creamy. Remove from the heat and pour into a clean, sterilized bottle. Leave about 1 inch of the bottle empty. The liquid will thicken over time and it can be difficult to pour it easily. Just add a shot of liquid heavy whipping cream or rum and shake well. Store your homemade Eierlikör in the refrigerator for up to 4 weeks. Zum Wohl!